Hello, and welcome to Under My Bed. Recently renovated. So for today's video, I am making a flower crown for the very first time. Oh boy. So I will walk you through the process of that. It may not be the best process in the world, but you know, it's how I did it, so here we go. So first I gathered my supplies, which included a ton of flowers. I found these cute yellow flowers at my local thrift store. I didn't intend to get this many, but you know, it happens. But now I can definitely make more flower crowns in the future. For the base of the crown, I found this tightly twisted white paper tubing stuff that acted as a sort of wire. And I also found a similar but more flexible blue twisted paper. And then, of course, a low temperature hot glue gun, because Lord knows that I cannot be trusted with a high temperature hot glue gun. Since the white paper tubing was a bit thin for the flowers I was using, I ended up combining 2 loops of the tubing together, making sure to measure it on my head first, and then using this paper clamp in order to hold it all together so that I could cut away the excess tubing. And I slapped some hot glue on that multiple times, waited for it to dry, and began the process of wrapping the blue twisted paper around the paper tubing. At first, I really didn't have any idea of what I was doing, but like most things in life, I just sort of winged it and learned as I went along with the project. So at first, I was applying the glue to the white paper tubing, but then I figured out that it was a lot easier to first unravel the blue paper a bit and apply the glue directly to the paper as I was wrapping it around the tubing. Once that was all done, I figured out where I wanted the front of the crown to be, and I marked that with a little paper clampy thing, as you can see in the video, right here. Then I picked which flowers I wanted to use for the flower crown and laid them out accordingly. Next, I cut off the stems for most of the flowers so that they would be easier to glue into place. I then began gluing each flower onto the crown. I probably added way too much glue, but I just wanted to be sure that they'd stay in place and, you know, wouldn't fall off, because that would be very sad. And with that, it is time for the reveal. Overall, I'm super happy with how this turned out. Obviously, it's not the greatest thing in the world, but I'm pretty proud of it, especially since I definitely did this a bit last minute. It's actually quite comfortable, so I could see myself wearing this with the outfit that you saw in the video, or just jeans in general. I feel like there aren't enough people who wear just casual flower crowns with like jeans or a dress or whatever. I'm more of a jeans person, but you know. But I just think, you know, they're just so cute. Why don't we wear them more often? I don't know. Flower crown revolution, anyone? Yes, I do realize that this is probably not the most waterproof thing in the world, but I wasn't really concerned with that when I was making it. And I mean, why would I wear this in like a downpour or something like that? You know, like why? Let's just wear it in the middle of a tornado. You know, like why? Why would I do that? I don't know. These are I don't know. I will probably just mostly wear this indoors, probably as I'm just derping along my day or whatever, because indoors is definitely my natural habitat, as you can see plainly. Or maybe camping. I could wear it camping. That's probably a terrible idea, but I kind of want to bring this and just see if it can survive. I can make more. It'll be fine. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, I'm not going to tell you to subscribe or whatever because there are so many friggin' channels on YouTube, and quite frankly, you're on to the next one. You know, you're just going along. But if you are interested, I do have social media stuff down in the description below. The Linktree link is basically just like my own website type of thing that has a bunch of links to whatever is happening currently. It'll always be updated, so even if you're watching this like 2 years from now, if Linktree's still a thing, probably will be, you can just click that and see what I'm up to. You know, do what you want. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye! Put him up. Da 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 da. There's hair in front of my face. What the fuck? Get out of here. So much hair.
That. God, there's so many flowers. Oh my god.
Really wish I did not shed so much.
Yes. Yes. Oh, baby. 27, 28 flowers. 28!
My natural habitat. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's scary.